Hello and welcome back to another episode of Measurement in a Minute. I'm your host, 𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗬𝗧 with Lakeside Process Controls. Today's video, we're continuing our discussion around rosemount and micromotion flow meter technologies. More specifically, we're going to talk through the different performance requirements when we're comparing these different technologies. The most commonly understood one is accuracy, and accuracy is just the extent at which our measurement agrees with the true value for that measurement. Now, accuracy is going to completely depend on your application. So in some instances where the need for accuracy is very high, for instance in a custody transfer application, that's going to be one of the biggest focuses for the solution we provide. In other applications where the need for accuracy is low, maybe just in a monitoring application, that won't be the focus, and we will look for other things when we're designing the most appropriate solution. Next up is rangeability or turn down, which is often misunderstood, but it's very simple. It's simply the ratio of the maximum flow rate down to the minimum flow rate for those stated levels of accuracy. So if we look at this example here, we have DP flow meters, Coriolis flow meters, magnetic flow meters, all Emerson technologies here. You can see the different levels of turn down. And this is very simple to understand. So if we look at that first one, Rosemount's 3051 SFA, that is an Annubar, a differential pressure flow meter with a 14:1 turn down. So to keep the numbers easy, if we were reading 140 liters a minute, this means we can read all the way down to 10 liters a minute for that stated level of accuracy. Now these are not constraints. We can certainly read beyond these values, just not for that stated level of accuracy. But it also really depends on the application depending on the sizing. But this is a good way to give a good gut check depending on your application. So if you want to read even lower for the same application, consider a Coriolis flow meter in this case. As you can see, we have a 30:1 turn down. The last piece to consider is repeatability, and this is going to be the ability for that measurement to be able to be produced over and over again by our flow meter, and this is going to be very important for the lifespan of that flow meter. To sum it up all nicely here, I have this graphic. So when we have poor repeatability, that's going to mean poor accuracy. If you can't produce the same measurement for the same set of conditions over and over again, there's no way you're going to actually hit what you want to hit, or if you do, it's by complete accident. Now the opposite, if you do have good repeatability, it doesn't necessarily mean you have good accuracy. In this case, you completely missed your mark, and that boy is certainly not happy in this case. The opposite though to all of this, good accuracy does mean good repeatability. As you can see here, with a good accuracy, we are able to hit that apple over and over again repeatedly, and that's exactly what we want when we are picking a flow meter technology. Should you have any questions about rosemount or micromotion flow meters or any other of our products, please reach out to us at www.lakesidecontrols.com. Thanks and have a great day.